how did you stop certain clients from taking advantage of you and your works? Any advice? I mean, contracts, just everything, that you guys discuss, just get it in writing, or, put it in a contract of some sort, have them sign off on it. And then, whenever there's like a hiccup or a snag, just reference, hey, it's not what we talked about within the contract. And, just gotta kind of remind them. But yeah. Is there anything specific you're running into with dealing with clients and stuff? I feel like contracts pretty much just solidify like everything. I feel like it's the problem is when like you're like starting a project, or you start working on a project without putting any of that stuff in place. It gets kind of dicey.